The characteristics of the golf swing are one that you need lateral stability and lateral power in the lower body. And here's a good exercise, an advanced exercise that you can try that will help develop that. It's called side hops. You're going to get yourself a Bosu ball, put it on the flat end on the ground, and basically what you're going to do is just hop back and forth across this thing. Start on one end, step up and hop, explode, explode. Continue back and forth, do about 10 to 15 reps back and forth. Good lateral power, as you can see. Little cardio workout there too, so be careful with this one, and especially be careful getting on and off the ball. Lateral hops on the Bosu, give it a shot to develop some lower body power and stability.